That's why you be my again. In class, young man, you're sleeping on the class. Or you're sleeping on me. Stop sleeping on the class. I don't know like a class like at all. Or I don't know like a where you over no man the papa. I said to see you now with the take a Halota. Ha me ha you can go I keep that did I need because I'm so that stop sleeping on me. Yeah, say okay, sleeping on you. He said, I mean, you don't sleep while I'm still talking to you. I said, well, are you going to say, are you not going to school? So finally, I went there to say, so okay, man. That's what came out. He was about 20. I went like I said, number 13, we're singing, where to Obi. The Bible is singing, relax your mind, or bad English. Relax your mind, bad English. You can say, relax, it's in the mind. Relax, calm down, or hear me. It's in relax your mind. Your mind may have bad English. You don't relax your mind, but you can relax your grip. If your mind, like I said, you can actually say, okay, relax your grip. It is too hard. That's it. I hope I'm communicating. Number 15. No, 14 instead. It's a big Jabon. Who do you think you are? You mean that the kid. It's a big Jabon. Who do you think you are? Huh? Look, I've been taking it from you. I am tired of taking it from you. From today onwards, I'm gonna stop taking it from you. You sought me, I will sought back. Who do you think you are? Huh? Huh? You're not gonna get out. You know? You might be king, you cannot be intimidated by anybody. So you bempe. I'm gonna come and I call a name. And then you're and then you want to very height, more better. And I have me a budget. You know more on, he can defend himself. That's what I call a man. One can do a bono. Oh yes, man. Don't worry, it's about that. You know, I'm a very peaceful person. I didn't yes, who called us never, I didn't yes, I got it poor. And what I want to, I'm not very poor. But can't nobody have to what else about that. When I try to get a baggy about I walk out again for what I'm doing. I won't believe it. I want this shit. Has you, yeah, I want to take a chance. You will, but I want to get a watch up bag and oil. Yes, it is. Indeed, it has your garage. But I need a dinner for shuffling. If you're a gentleman does not shuffle. A gentleman does not, behave in certain ways that will make you look rough. Nobody ever met me with a but I can't look. You too, but I'm not me. I want to share. Okay, yeah, but I don't know why I watch Champions. Finally, number 15, I said, nah. Get a but nah, most of us use Yamaro. Nah, for God's sake. Nah, go to the mother. For God's sake, what kind of person are you? Nah, for God's sake. These are exclamatives. Or exclamations and all that. I was here. You just got here in a man. There were 16. Meg. Let you know Meg. Serve you right. Serve you getting right. So serve you right means put it down. Okasigulugi. Can make it. Okay. Serve you right. Serve you right. Only can have when you have a game. You sure. You have that's you. I'm going to do what the phone number see what here now. Before you know it, you will get with the to the head. You need your phone number. I don't mind. He did a rape man. He did a man. He did to him. Woman. As a given, he man. dog, meg. A guy school no give a late. I peg it. You give up another. Mama got second later, sir. I second dog, meg, serve you right. I woke you up on time, in time, but you didn't prepare for school. You were lazing about. I'm going to go out server. On your boozer, yeah? I get boozer and many. First come, first served. On last year, first come, first serve. No D in the wrong. You get here D. First come, first served. Immediately, who came first was the first to be served. Or who comes first gets served first. Number 17. Here are going to be a in the way you see a gaffalofe, a pie see a caratoyaka. Here are going to be a gamma. Illustrate a crisis. Now, the bar. I see. Here are going to be a gamma. I can no longer bear it. I can no longer take it. Okay, this is number 14. Minibara Pubok. Minibara no Pubok. Something went wrong. On your blood kid. Now, me, I'm going to Pubok. Something has gone wrong. Something wrong? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Something went awry. Now, another word for that wrong. Awry. W, so A-W-R-Y. Yeah, that way R or R. Yeah, R. In America, it is R. In Britain, it is R. So, you say A-W-R-Y. Alright, something went awry. Something went wrong. That's something alright with my phone. There's something alright with my phone. Means there's something wrong with my phone. There's something alright here. There's something wrong here. I smell a rat. That's what you're saying. Finally, number 15. I see. Ibaulu. Ibaulu. I want to talk about Uru advantage. Arambu disadvantage. Ima became that. Actually, because you became my hand. I will say in English. If you think about the upside or advantage, upside, up, U-P, up, S-I-D-E, side, upside, but advantage, downside, but disadvantage. So think about the downside. You see, look, when you are doing anything in business, don't only think about the upside. Also, take into consideration the downside. You don't worry only about the upside. Worry also about the downside. Because there must be loss. Loss. And lost. And lost. Loss. Now how about lose? You know how about lose? You think about loss. How about lost? Loss. L-O-S-S. Loss. How about loss? You got a main market. Like I said, now about lose now. Anyone that came on, how about lose? You know how about lose, okay? Yeah, but I lost. You lost. Lose. Lose. L-O-S-E. Lose. I lose. Then the past tense of lose is lost. The past participle of lose is lost. I will say lose, lost, lost. Then look at choose. You choose. The past tense of choose is chose. The past participle of choose is chosen. So give me this and lots chosen. Here about lots chosen or lots chosen. The lots chosen one right here. Oh now the lot chosen. Or chosen. Choose, chose, chosen. Well, now, for now. Thank you very much.